Hello besties, welcome to our third and final series I guess on our polymer head. So in this video I'm going to be telling you about the size of your wig cap and what size to use for what head size. So we all know that wig caps come in medium and large. I don't know if it comes in small. I'm sorry, I'm not prior to that information, so but based on my experience I believe it comes in medium and large. So make sure you use your medium for your small. Do not use a medium cap for a size 22 or a size 23 head. It's not going to fit, guys. It's not going to fit. When you put your medium cap on a size 21 canvas head, you notice that it fits so perfectly. And if you have a client whose head measurements equates to a size 21, you're going to notice that the wig cap is going to fit so perfectly. So, but if you use a medium on a size 22 hair or a size 23 head, you're going to notice that the cap is not going to fit perfectly. Like, it's not even going to fit at all. It's going to lift a lot because it's too small for the head size. However, so guys, let me just show you the front view and you can see how perfect this sits. So if you want to take a smaller size for a size 22 head, you're going to have difficulties. All these things I'm talking about is going to help you with your wigging, and especially your glueless wigging. When you use the large for a size 22, you notice that you have little adjustments to make. And fortunately, this one really fits perfectly. Like, if I want to make adjustments on this, it's going to be very little. You see that it fits so perfectly on the canvas head. Now let's go to the size 23. So for a size 23 canvas head, I'm going to use a medium wig cap for the 23. I'm not going to use a small. I'm going to use a medium. A large, sorry guys, I'm very sorry for mixing this up. I'm not going to use a medium, I'm going to use a large for the 23. So basically my medium wig caps I use for any head size 21 head size, and my large wig caps I use for a 22 or 23 head size. And you can see that it fits so perfectly on the 23 head size. On the 22 head size, you're going to do minor adjustments on your wig cap before you begin wigging. So guys, make sure you follow this foundation. So I'm going to show you an example of what will happen if you use a small wig cap for someone with a larger head size. It's not going to go. I'm going to show you in the next clip, I guess, so that you can really see the difference. So yeah, let's get into it. So if I use a bigger wig cap for a size 21, it can still work because I'm going to do adjustments on the wig cap. But if I use a small wig cap on a size 23 head, it's not going to work because it's not going to fit perfectly. You're going to notice that you're not going to get the wig seated on the neck. Neither is it going to be on the front of your wig. You can see it's not reaching your ear to ear measurements because it's too small. So if you use this wig cap to make a wig for someone, I don't know if you can see what I'm showing, but this is your nape measurement. That is your neck, behind your neck. The wig cap is not even going to reach there. So if you make a wig for someone with this wig cap, the wig is going to be hanging. It's not going to fit. So I hope this helps. So please like and share, turn on notification and subscribe. Bye bye.